Now that we have learned the different connections used for casing and tubing, let's talk about connectors. Connectors are used in pipes with large ODs, generally of 20 and above inches. For this reason, they are mostly used in surface and conductor casing strings in deep and offshore wells. An advantage offered by connectors when they are run from barges or floating platforms which move with the sea tides and waves is the fast and safe makeup, which helps to avoid cross-threading during the running. To achieve this, the design of some types of connectors includes multi-starting threads that allow the makeup of two joints in less than one turn of the pipe. Easy and reliable running is achieved through a deep stabbing provided by a fast thread taper and high stabbing flank angle. An additional aspect to be considered in these quick connectors is their ability to avoid any back-off after the running. Different anti-back-off devices have been designed for this purpose, such as the anti-rotational keys, ARK.